In this video, we're going to show you how to make your very own scrunchie to accompany the craft kit that we have available on our website. It's really fun and a really simple craft to make. The first thing you'll need to do is to pin down the top inch of one end of your fabric, with the wrong sides of the pattern facing each other. Then, fold the entire length in half with your pinned down tab facing outwards. Pin the fabric in place so it doesn't slip as you're sewing. Now, either with your sewing machine or by hand, stitch down the entire length of the fabric, leaving around 1 centimetre for the edge. Trim any excess thread that you might have. Now you need to turn it inside out. It can be a little bit fiddly and it took me a while. Attach your safety pin to the end of your elastic and use this end to thread the elastic through the tube that you've created. You need to scrunch up the material so that you have one end of the elastic poking out each side. With these two ends, tie a balloon knot to secure them together. Then, insert the rough end of the tube into the neater end, so that no frays are exposed. Get your needle and insert around 40 centimetres of thread into the eye. With both loose ends, tie them together into a knot, and this will help secure it in place when you begin to stitch. Stitch the two ends of the tube together to secure it in place. And there you have it, your very own homemade scrunchie.